Hi, I'm John Horton with Pacific Crest Building Products. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install our new soft close mechanism on our barn door track. Previously we've shown you how to put the track up. Now we're going to add soft close. The point of soft close is to bring the door to a certain spot softly. So you won't have the bumping against the bumper where it can bang into it and bounce back. So especially with kids, you don't really want them slamming your barn door back and forth. So that's a good application for soft close. So the next step we're going to do is step number 1 is to actually insert the Allen bolts into the soft close mechanism. So there's 4 bolts per mechanism, and we'll do that now. So we're wanting to just thread them to start them. You don't want it to go any further into the track, so you can slide it up when they're all on. So we'll go ahead and put those all on and come back to you and slide the tracks on. That's it. Okay, so we're doing a single door application, and we're going to have the door actually close to the right-hand side. So you're going to find the closer that we call a left hand, because it's taking the door from the left-hand side and moving it to the right side. If we had a double door, you'd have one on the other side going the other direction. So you notice this little spring-loaded mechanism is what the keeper that we will mount on the door will catch, and it moves the door and travels to the right. So we'll actually slide this up in the center of these 2 bolts, like so. And we'll tighten this enough to hold it there. So you can just do one at a time for now. Make sure it's tied up against the track. And we can just loosely do the others. Okay, so that's how easy it is to go on the track. Now we're going to measure and mount the keeper on top of the door, which will catch this mechanism and take it to the soft close right side. So the next step is to move the door into where you want it to close. So you would overlap your opening by 1 inch or so. And now you want to figure out where to mark that keeper so that it'll catch that slot. Okay, so we're going to loosely put the keeper so that it hits right into the slot. So that's your close position. So with it in that location, you're going to mark your holes to drill, pre-drill for your screws. So we'll do that now. So with the keeper in the closed position, that's inside of the little slot on the soft close, we're going to mark, pre-drill our holes, or mark where our pre-drilled holes should be for screws to attach that. Okay? So it does have some adjustability, doesn't have to be perfect. So we'll go ahead and take the door off the track, and then we'll pre-drill the holes and mount this keeper and show you what the result is. So we've pre-drilled these holes. We're going to mount the screws for this. This is called the keeper. Okay, so let's see if it works properly. We'll just open it, and then we'll close it and see if it catches correctly. You see how nicely it closes? So now we can tighten up the Allen bolts. If you do need to adjust, you can just loosen those, move it a little bit to make it finish where you'd like it. So it's that easy. So our soft close kits come with 2 So if it's a single door, you can actually have soft close and soft open. So we're gonna mount one more and put that on the other end of the track, just like we did this. So here we've got the finished product. We've got soft close on this side, and we've added it also for soft open, so we can keep it from hitting the other bumper as well. So it's a very nice feature. It can be added to any 1/4-inch flat track by any manufacturer. It comes in both a black and a gray color as well. For more information, please see PacificPrideDoors.com. Thank you.